guys, welcome back to our channel Think Beyond the Wave. Today we bring in 20 facts about 10 facts, a new topic, and the 10 facts, new topic. So the 10 facts about tornado and the 10 facts about hurricane. So the main difference is there, the tornado come on land and hurricane come on water. So we can start now. Before starting video, please like, share and subscribe and tap the bell icon for future video notification. So we'll start now. First one, tornadoes, also known as twisters, which come by the air, volunteer rotating columns of air that reach from a storm cloud to the earth's surface. So, in the tornado also called a twister, which come from air and its height is from clouds to earth, to the earth's surface, earthland. So you can think how much size and height is there of tornadoes. Second point, the winds of tornadoes can reach speed up to 480 km per hour. That's strong enough to peel the roofs of houses, uproot the trees, and hurl heavy objects such as cars hundreds of meters. So, at least the tornado speed is 480 kilometers. It is very strong to take a roof of house to move here and there. They can take that. They can move at least 100 of meters. Third point, tornadoes come in different shape and size. Some may appear as wide funnel-shaped cloud, other as thin rope like swirl stretching from the ground to sky. So the tornadoes come in any shape, they can come in any size. So it is not always that their height is so many and their speed is so many. Sometimes they can appear as a wide funnel shaped or the swirl stretching shape. So it can come anytime and anywhere. Fourth point, the duration of tornadoes and the distance they travel varies. Most last less than 10 minutes and travel 5 to 10 kilometers before disappearing. So the hardest and strongest tornado at least move to 5 or 10 kilometers in 10 minutes or 5 minutes before disappearing. In extreme cases, however, they can last several hours and cross distance over 150 kilometers. Sometimes when the tornado comes very highly and very strong, they took so many time of several hours and cross distance over 150 kilometers. Fifth point, tornadoes are measured using the Fujita scale or F scale, ranging from F4 to F5, with F5 being the strongest and more destructive. So we have to measure the tornado. It is a tool which called a Fujita scale. It helps how strong it is and how distance they can travel. So it is a tool to discover the tornadoes. Sixth point, the deadliest tornado ever recorded was in Bangladesh in 1989 as it traveled through the Dhaka region of the country. More than 20 villages were destroyed and around 1,300 people were killed. So the hardest tornado come in Bangladesh in 1989. It's in the Dhaka. It is in Dhaka region. It crashed the 20 villages and destroyed and around 1,300 people were killed. So it is the deadliest tornado ever recorded in Bangladesh in Dhaka region. It killed 1,300 people and 20 villages were destroyed. So it is the deadliest tornado from this time. 7th point, most of the world's tornado occurred in United States in what's known as tornadoes alley. So in this India, in this earth, there are so many tornadoes in United States, it's called, in the United States, the tornadoes are called Tornado Alley, stretching from West Texas to North Dakota. This area can see more than 200 tornadoes each year. So in this area, there is always tornadoes and always that at least the 200 tornadoes in every and each year. Eighth point, if a tornado occurs over water, it's called a water post. So hardly the tornado come in water. When they are moving here and there, somewhere is water, so they can go and it can damage so many water animals. So if the tornado occurs over the water, it's called a water post. 9 point. Not all tornadoes are easy to see. In fact, they can be invisible until they pick up a dust and debris or a cloud from within the spinning funnel. So you think that all the tornado can see? No, it is invisible. Hardly we can see it, but always it is invisible until they pick a dust and debris. So when they pick a dust, debris or a cloud forms with the spinning funnel, before that they are invisible. We cannot see. But when they catch the pick of the dust and debris, a cloud forms within the spinning funnel or moving here and air. When they catch it, we can see them of the dust and debris. Last and the 10th point of tornadoes. 10 point. The formation of tornado is so complex that scientists still don't completely understand about it. So the tornado is the most complex thing that scientists also don't completely understand about the full thing about tornado. 8. And what more what more the scientists understand about tornadoes make them difficult and dangerous. So to study a tornado will demolish everything in its path, including measuring equipment. And so the secret behind this incredible force of nature are yet to be discovered. So if you're trying to understand about tornado, a tornado will demolish everything in your path, including measuring equipment. So this is the incredible thing by the force of nature. They are not discovered till now. So now we will start about hurricanes. The hurricanes come in water. They come hardly in land. So the first point of hurricanes. Hurricanes are the giant tropical storm that produce heavy rainfall and super strong winds. So I tell that the hurricanes come in water or sea. Hurricanes are giant tropicals which cause the winds and it is super strong and rainfall. They damage the all water animals, shape, and there is more and more hardly rainfall. Second point, hurricanes. Hurricanes from over warm oceans, water near the equator. Before hurricane is coming, the water come that side. The water was very warm, so the animals know that and they can run from there. The warm air above the ocean surface rise, causing air from surrounding areas to be sucked in. This a new air then become warm and moist and rise to the beginning a continuous cycle that form a cloud. The clouds then rotate with the spin of the earth. If there is enough warm water to feed the storm, the hurricanes form. So there is so many warm water. The hurricanes form anytime and anywhere. Very speed and fast. Third point. Hurricanes rotate around a circular center called the eye. Where it is generally calm with no cloud surrounding the eye is the eye wall. The most dangerous part of the hurricanes is the strongest wind, thickest clouds, and heaviest rain. So when the hurricanes rotate in circular centers, it's called eye. So the hurricanes when come, the strongest hurricanes until they have very thickest cloud and heaviest wind, and there is so many winds that ship also are flying in air. So it is that much highly wind. Fourth point, most hurricanes occur harmlessly out at the sea. However, when they move towards land, they can be incredible dangerous and cause serious damage. When the hurricane come near the peoples where there is land like beach, so the hurricane is moving anywhere, but hardly it come on land. So it is so dangerous. There is so many water that they can come tsunami also, incredibly damage and cause very serious damage. So we cannot stop them, the hurricanes. Fifth point, most hurricanes occur harmlessly out at the sea. However, when they move, sixth point, fifth, sixth point, in the southern hemisphere, hurricanes rotate in a clockwise direction and in the northern hemisphere. So when the hurricane come, it is in hemisphere, in its southern hemisphere, and it rotate and go in northern hemisphere. So it happen always. They rotate in an until clockwise direction. So you know about anti-clockwise. So they rotate in an only anti-clockwise always direction. This is due to what's called the Cloris force produced by the Earth rotation. So the Earth also rotates in anti-clockwise. So the air also come from there. So this method is called Carolis force. The that's why the hurricanes go the hurricanes go in clockwise direction, anti-clockwise direction. Seventh point. When a hurricane reaches the land, it often produces a storm surge. This is when the high winds drive the sea towards the shore, causing water levels to rise and creating a large crashing waves. Surge can reach 6 meter and extreme to over 150 kilometers. So when the hurricane reaches in land, its speed happened very extreme and high and reached very highly 6 meter long, and it took over 150-kilometer speed in only 6 meter extremely distance. Eighth point. Hurricanes are also called cyclones and typhoons. So, depending on where they occur, in the Atlantic Ocean or in Northwest Pacific, they are hurricanes. In the Northern Pacific, they are typhoon. And in the Southern Pacific, they are Indian Ocean, they are called cyclone. So, there are so name of hurricane like cyclone, typhoon, and one name which more the people use like hurricane. So there is depending on where the hurricane come. If they come in Atlantic Ocean and Northwest Pacific, they are, if they come in Atlantic Ocean and Northern Pacific, they are called hurricanes. So if they come in Atlantic Ocean and Northwest Pacific Ocean, they are called hurricanes. If it come in Northwest Pacific Ocean, they are typhoon. That people are called typhoon. And in South Pacific of Indian Ocean, they are called cyclones. So the Indian peoples, when the hurricanes come, they call cyclone. 9 point. The largest hurricanes on record is typhoon tip, which occurred in 1979 in the Northwest Pacific with a diameter of around 2,220 kilometer. It was nearly half the size of United States. So until the largest hurricanes come on water is typhoon. It is in Indian, which occurred in 1979 in the Northwest Pacific Ocean with a speed and a diameter of around 2,220 kilometer, which is founded by a device. It was a nearly half size of American city, United States. 10th, and the last point is hurricanes. Hurricanes are given names by the World Meteorological Organization, WMO. It is a short form of hurricanes when they come. So that they can be discussed each year. Tropical storms are named in alphabetical order according to the list produced by the WMO. That name stays with the storm. It developed into hurricanes. The names are also repeated after six years. So the hurricane is also called a WMO, and it is the hurricane name is only repeated after 6 years. Thank you for watching our video till end. And today we learned 10 facts about tornado and hurricanes and 10 facts about tornado and hurricane. So if you want a more and more interesting video, you can comment us. So till that, goodbye. Please like, share and subscribe and tap the bell icon for future video notification. So goodbye.